Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Moco player name. First of all, open up the mo.co app on your device and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on your player profile by tapping on your name at the top left. Here, you will be able to see a pencil button. Tap on it. Now, in order to change your name on Moco, you will need 25 Mo Gold. If you have 25 Mo Gold on your account, you can simply type down a new name for yourself and then click on Change Name. If you don't have enough Mo Gold, you will not be able to do that for now. But if you do, you'll immediately change your name. So that's how you can easily change your name in mo.co. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.